Hey, Maggie.
Chicken? Almost. It's almost done.
You can't open that.
Not yet.
What's in there? What's in there? Chicken? Are you excited to eat
You
it?
want to eat the chicken? Eat?
It's not done yet. We've got a ways to go.
You're gonna eat it.
Maggie, are you hungry? Do you love eating chicken?
Lola likes chicken. No, uh-oh, Lola, you stole Lola's spot. Sorry, Lola. Lola wants a hug.
All right, we'll eat the chicken soon.
Uh-oh, kisses from Lola. Ah, she's kissing you. She's kissing you. Ah, look at these ears. Ears. Floppy ears. Ah. Don't bite her ears. You love Lola? You say I love you, Lola? Hey, stop it, Lola. Stop kissing me. Whoa!
Oh.